Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Turt's Time with Tejas, where money finds its voice in the most fun way possible. I'm your host, Mr. Turt, and with me is my curious buddy, Tejas.
Hi friends, I'm ready for today's money lesson. So Turt, what are we learning today?
Today's topic is something that helps people stay financially protected during difficult times. Insurance.
Insurance? I always hear words like health insurance and life insurance, but I never knew what they actually mean.
That's okay, Tejas. Let's make it super simple. Insurance is a way to protect yourself from big, unexpected expenses.
Unexpected expenses?
Yes, sometimes accidents, illnesses, or damage can happen suddenly. Insurance helps cover those costs so people don't have to pay everything from their own pocket.
Oh, insurance is like a safety shield that protects us from big money problems.
Exactly. A very smart way to think about it.
But how does insurance actually work?
People pay a small amount regularly, called a premium, to an insurance company. In return, the company helps financially if something covered by the insurance happens.
So instead of facing a huge expense alone, you get support?
Correct. For example, health insurance helps cover hospital and medical expenses. Life insurance helps support a family financially if something happens to the earning member. Vehicle insurance helps if a car or bike gets damaged in an accident.
Oh, so different insurance plans protect different parts of life.
Exactly. That's why people choose insurance based on what they want to protect most.
That sounds really helpful.
It is. Insurance gives people peace of mind because they know they have financial support during emergencies.
So does that mean insurance is for everyone?
In many cases, yes. Different people need different types of insurance depending on their lives and responsibilities.
But what happens if nothing bad happens? Does the money get wasted?
Great question. Think of insurance like carrying an umbrella. You may not need it every day, but when heavy rain suddenly comes, you'll be happy you brought it along.
Oh, so insurance is about being prepared before problems happen.
Exactly right. Smart planning today can prevent bigger worries tomorrow.
I like that.
And here's something important. Insurance is different from saving money. Savings help you achieve future goals, while insurance helps protect you from sudden financial risks.
So savings help you grow money and insurance helps protect it.
Perfectly said, Tejas.
Let me see if I got this. Insurance means paying a small amount regularly so you can get financial help during emergencies or unexpected situations.
Absolutely correct. Before we go, here's a quick question for everyone listening. Can you name one type of insurance that people use in everyday life? Drop your answers in the comments.
I can already think of 3. What about you?
That's all for today's chat on insurance. Remember, protecting your money is just as important as growing it.
Till next time, keep learning, keep thinking, and keep growing.
And keep shining with Mr. Turt's Time with Tejas.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.